Stop at the top. I mean, stop at the top. My bad. No, top of the top. What it do, man? Oh, let me go on the main cam real quick. Wow, we in here, dog. You know what it be. So, was going through a couple different things. You know, man, my profile ended up getting shot down bad, man. I ended up, you feel me, losing out on a couple different trades and stuff like that. But we doubled down and now we back at it. You feel me? But I just wanted to let y'all know that I have been still uploading videos, but I've been going live, so they've been going to my live section as opposed to the actual video section, which is like kind of crazy. So like now that I'm just recording and I'm just uploading videos on the tube now, bow, see me. So what we're gonna talk about here first is definitely this investors live stream. You feel me? We got a couple different things going on, as you can see. We lost bad on AMD and Microsoft, but I ended up figuring out what happened with that. So like, look, check me out, bro. This is why it's important to be able to draw levels and shit like that. But you gotta maintain. What I did was just walk away from the computer. Can't be doing that trading options because you never know how the option might strike. So I'm gonna go to my Microsoft call real quick, and then I'm gonna break down the other ones that we got coming up to replace this loss that we took on Microsoft. So we got on Microsoft October 9th, right? So if we check out October 9th, man, right, damn, this shit far back. So October 9th is like right in here, boom. So right here, boom. So we got Microsoft we got a 420 Microsoft call, and it had hit the high of 420. So being that it hit the high of the 420, being that it hit the 420 and we bought in at the 420 call, it didn't give me that much overhead room to go to this 431 where I seen resistance at, you feel me, which is basically where it's been declining since. So that is why the Microsoft call did that. The AMD on the other end, right? AMD did the same thing, you feel me? AMD did the exact same thing. We starting to understand like our entries and our exits, you feel me? I'm definitely starting to understand my entries and my exits. So look, October 29th, right? Right here, I basically just bought at the top right here. This was just a bad entry because it fell below. I honestly thought what I really should have did was bought this 152 call, not the 165 call, because it's still at this like resistance support level right here. You feel me? With upward motion towards the top. So little further out, definitely, you feel me? But let's get back to what I really want to talk about is NVDA, QQQ, SPY, Google, Apple, and basically all of the tech stocks going on. So for NVIDIA, right, they just had earnings. This is a great level of support that I'm looking at right here for it to break through. As you see, it already broke through right here at the 152. I got a 142 call on this for about a month out on the 13th. Why I chose the 13th is because on the 6th, a week before, the Friday before, they have the non-farming payroll, and they also have the unemployment. The unemployment rate is coming out as well. So here's my NVIDIA level. I'm looking for it to stay consistently bouncing off the 142 and hit a new all-time. It already hit the new all-time high at 152, but I'm looking for it to stay above this range of 148 and continue trending upwards. Heading into this new news of December. Next, we have the QQQ, which is basically it's got two levels of support, one at 501 and one at 497. So I end up buying a 498 call. This was yesterday that I put this call in. So it basically is holding support at 501 right now. And I'm looking for it to go to at least 513, retrace back to 513. Before it can, peak up and hit an all-time high. We'll need some really good news. So hopefully the non-farm payroll and the unemployment with the week before shows some good life, and then that way we could pull the contracts out on that next Wednesday. Same thing with the SPY, you feel me? 588, you feel me? Good level of support right here. It's pretty much in the range of right here, looking to basically create some momentum towards the upside. If we zoom out a little bit, we're looking to create some new all-time high at 660, which is in the news. So if we can pace it, and then as you see, it's in the range right here. So the support level, lowest support level is 583. Second support level is 588. So we pretty much in the range of between 588 and 590. 8. So I got the same thing for the SPY call 1213. Wow. Next we have Google, right? Google basically fell below my support level of 168 and maybe even head into my next support level of 161. If it does head to my support level on 161, I will be buying another contract of Google for maybe I'll probably roll this one over and change the strike date to probably somewhere near like the first or some shit like that. Just because this 161, it can definitely touch this 161. It's if it does, it's gonna happen very, very quick, very, very quick. Because if you look here on the weekly, right, it'll basically be touching the 50 if it hits this 161. So it'll quick. If it blows through the 160, it's definitely pushing down somewhere in this range. So we'll just keep our eye on it. And then Apple, same thing with Apple. It's trading right in here between this range. It actually got below this range a little bit, but it's carrying a lot of level of support here around like 226. But if it blows through support again right here, oh look, the 220 was basically the support line. So the 226 is the next support line. We're looking for it to break through 230 to head to 235 to create a new all-time high around like 240. Lastly is Sherman-Williams. You feel me? It got this real big gap right here, so it basically retraced to the same support level here, and it cleanly bounced off the 367. I was looking forward to maybe pull back to 361, but I don't really think it is. I'm not going to get in a trade now because it branched off a little too far from my my support level of 366 because it's at 377 right now. So what I'm looking forward to do is break past 383. If it breaks past 383, we got definitely good momentum towards upside of pushing past that 400 range, which was basically give us like a 20-point move, 15-point move. And then PNG looks good. I don't think I'm gonna double down on it. I might. Let's just scope it out. Let's just see what PNG got to offer here, boy. PNG looking good. It's bouncing right here off this 162 support line. Like I kind of got in this trade too early, way too early. If I bought it at the 175, I basically bought it at the picky pop. I bought it way up here at the tippity top, and then it fell down, and now it's recovering back to the 172. So the 175. So damn, I should have doubled down way back when. But we are locked in. I definitely want to keep y'all posted. We streaming every Tuesday and Thursday, 9 o'clock on the dinner. Going crazy with this stuff. And I wanna just say one thing, you feel me? The goal is to become financially free, financially rich, not trading your time and energy for money no more. Right now I'm just trading my time and my energy for this bread. But once this shit start flipping and rolling over, it's on autopilot, baby. It's on autopilot. So what we were trying to do right now is focus on being on autopilot. Push to buying our first home. We're doing a duplex or a multiplex, like a triplex or a duplex, something like that. And then shit, we just gonna ride this wave. You feel me? By the time I'm 32, 33, it should be looking real smooth and clean around this thing, man. You understand what I'm saying? But I'm gonna keep this video very, very short. I'm gonna title it. And I'm gonna throw this on the tool, man, and keep y'all laced up. Thank you for tuning in. We out. Cash Light Green.